Good boy. Lock it on. Attack, attack, attack. And the hop by a target lock. Ready? Target lock. Ooh, I'm right above you. Right below you. Ready? Target lock him.
You shot 2 trackers on me.
Okay. Ready? Go 2. Go 2. Ready? Go 2. Go 2. I got him locked. Ready? Boosters.
No elevation loss. Right on the top.
Yeah, this is I used to play Ironclads with your great grandfather. Yeah, Ironclads. Yeah, Ironclads was like a battleship game, real hard. Yeah, yeah, Ironclads. What's called Ironclads? Yeah, this is like a. Oh, okay. Here we go. Ready? We got a default formation. 1, 2, 4. -3. Ready? Drop it in. And right below. Lock it. Target.
Target.
One more.
3 or 2. 3 or 2.
Whoop. Target lock. Waypoint. Ready?
3 or 2.
Here we go.
3 or 2. 3 or 2.
Oh, we only got one lock. One target lock. Got you locked. Beep. And the hop. Head back to base.
Right above you.
Yep. Wings out. Landing gear down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Land on base.
Wings locked. Landing gear down. Bolt check on. Bolt check on.
Coming in for landing.
Hues are lined up. 452, 649. Deck is pitching 20%. We're coming in. Ready? Flaps down. Permission to land it. And locked it. Flaps down. Nose up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shut down engines 1 and 2. Target lock. Shut down systems. Woo! See you at rendezvous.